So I have here a map of the Oman Air flight routes. It's a scanned map. It doesn't have any geographic reference within it. If I want to measure distances or whatever, I need to georeference it to GIS software, such as the QGIS we're using. And here I have a map of the world on a shapefile on GIS format, and I want to project it to put that map here. To do that, I'm going to use the gdal georeferencer, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So I go to raster, georeferencer. If it's not installed, look at the previous screencast, which shows you how to install it. So I'm here. It's actually in there, but I have to load the image I want to georeference. It's asked me what all those messages are telling me is that this image doesn't have a coordinate reference system, which I know. I press OK, because if I only press OK, it will adopt the coordinate reference system I currently have on the project, which is what I want. I want to georeference it to my project. Okay, so now I have to define control points, which are points that I can identify on this map and within the project here. These are points that are easy to identify, and what I'm actually doing, I'm telling the GIS software or the georeferencer, this point right here, this one, if you go to the map, it's located right here, and I confirm, and the source X, the source Y, the distance X, distance Y, all the parameters of those points are saved within the software. To do a good job in the georeferencing, I need to choose as many points as possible, and I have them accurately, and they have to be spread all over my map. So I will add a few points now, and we'll see how it works. Please notice that the dimensions of this map is much wider than the way it looks on the other map, so the georeference is not such an easy task, but still, let's do it. I will not use too many points now, because it takes your time, but you're welcome to do a better job than I do. You see the lines that begin to be painted on the control lines and control points I define. They indicate how much of adjustment the map will have once I'm done. So I put a few points here at the north of the map. adjust something here. So we'll remove the point, that's the icon to remove points. I'll remove that point. Okay, do it again. Point right here, which is here. Okay. And that's quite enough. I will run the script now. It asks me for a file name. I will define the output file name. It creates an image, or raster we call it, with a file that defines its geographic location. And again, it asks me if I want to do it on another coordinate reference system than the project's coordinate reference system, which I don't. And if I go now to the project, I can see, let's enlarge it to full extent, that the map is now situated on the world map. If I want to check the quality of my work, I can go to properties and ask it to be quite transparent. Okay. So when I look at it this way, it looks quite okay, but as I said, this is quite a large shift. It's a very big map, it's hard to do it, but it's a nice example. That's it for now.